नमस्कार. पोया प्रुडंट खबरो. 2017 गोय विधानसभा हुमकळटा. सर्वे प्रमाण बीजेपीक 15 ते 16, काँग्रेसीक 12 ते 13, एमजीपीक 2 ते 3, गोवा फॉरवर्डाक 1 ते 2. सांताक्रूज आप जाल्यार जेनिफराक ताळगांव वता जड. वेळी परत काँग्रेसीक चान्स. शिरोड्या मंत्री महादेव डेंजर झोनात. सांग्यार सुभाषाक सावित्री दिता फायट. काँग्रेस हेवीवेट बाबू आजगांवकार मगोच्या वाटेर. आयतारा मगोत प्रवेश निश्चित. मगोच्या अध्यक्षान दिल्ले बाबूच्या एंट्रीचे कन्फर्मेशन. आरटीआय एक्टिव्हिस्ट दीपक गडेकाराक अटक. मेंगलुरूच्या बिझनेसमॅनाकडच्यान उखल्ली 10 लाखांची नवी करन्सी. बनावट पुलीस जावन केले कर्म. काणकोण बीजेपीत फूट. 22 तारखेच्या महामेळाव्याच्या तयारे वेल्यान रमेश तवडकार आणि विजय पै खोताचे कार्यकर्ते फुटपाची शक्यताय. सिनियर फुडारी म्हणटात तशें कांयच ना. आनी फातोड्ड्या 3 मोटारींच्या एक्सिडेंटात एकलो सोंपलो. तकलेक मार लागिल्ल्यान तौसिफ बडगिरीक जाग्यार मरण. अपघातांत जखमी चलयेचेर हॉस्पिसियोंत उपचार. दोन 2017 गोय विधानसभेत मतांची विभागणी जावन विधानसभा हुमकळटली अशें चित्र दिसता. खंयच्याच पक्षाक स्पश्ट बहुमत ना. मगो बीजेपी पयस जाल्ल्याचो फटको दोनूय पक्षांक बसता. सर्वे प्रमाण बीजेपी 15 ते 16 जाग्यांचेर येता, जाल्यार काँग्रेस 12 ते 13 सिटांचेर येता. एमजीपीक 2 ते 3, गोवा फॉरवर्डाक 1 ते 2 जाग्यांचेर चान्स. सर्वे प्रमाण राष्ट्रवादीचे 1 जाल्यार आपाचे 2 आमदार येवपाक शकतात. 5 मतदारसंघ अनिश्चित आसात. पळोवया प्रुडंटाचे प्रीपोल सर्वेची फायनल टॅली.
We have come up with a final figure that is considering the split also.
Split in MGP BJP.
Split between MGP and BJP.
I can't see
And it's very interesting. BJP is down to 15-16. Congress has gone up to 12-13. NCP is 0 to 1. MGP is 2 to 3. Goa Forward is 1 to 2. AAP is 0 to 2. The interesting thing is, there are 6 constituencies which we have kept uncertain because of the present confusion and the anti-incumbency against the sitting legislators. Those 6 constituencies is Kankon, Kortali, Mandre, Ponda, Prior, and the 6th constituency can be Dabolim, Savarde, or anything. So that is the kind of composition we are looking at. When we did mood of the state in October, BJP plus MGP was comfortably on 22. Right now, with the split, MGP might go down to 2 or remain at 3. BJP is surely getting damaged and coming down to 15 or 16. Congress is getting up at least by 3 seats and going to 12 to 13. And if you look at this vote share, Congress plus NCP plus Goa Forward, they may just cross the BJP if there is no alliance. There's a very interesting graph emerging in a pre-poll scenario, this thing, survey, and it can be anybody's game, and 6 constituencies are uncertain. Whoever wins those 6 constituencies can take the election. Daboli or Savarde म्हणावे. Daboli or Savarde. Kankona, Kortali, Mandre, Fonda and Prior. Out of that, 4 constituencies belong to BJP and 2 constituencies belong to MGP, which become uncertain because of split between BJP and MGP. Straight away, because of the breaking of the coalition, you are putting 6 constituencies in uncertain category, which is giving us these figures. It's a lose-lose situation for BJP and MGP rather than win-lose for anybody, and it is directly benefiting the rest of the chunk that is there in the field.
जे 5 मतदारसंघ अनिश्चित आसात ते आनी तांची कारणां कितें आसात ती पळोवया. मांद्र्या भाजपाक बरो मात मुख्यमंत्र्याचेर कोत्र. काणकोण भाजपाक बरो मात तवडकाराक कोत्र. कुठ्ठाळी अलिनाचेर बेजार. फोंड्या भाजप मोगो युती बगर काँग्रेसीक. प्रियोळ भाजप मोगो युती बगर कोणाकूय.
प्रुडंटाचो प्रीपोल सर्वेचे आंकडे पळोवन प्रत्येक जाण आपापली मतां मांडपाक लागल्यात. मात प्रुडंटाच्या प्रीपोल सर्वेचेर वेगवेगळ्या राजकीय पक्षाचे फुडारी आनी राजकीय विश्लेशकांचे कितें मत आसा ते पळोवया.
हांव कितें म्हणटा की दोज 6 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज ज्यो आसा त्यो एज इट इज बीजेपी एमजीपीच्योच आसा. इफ दे मॅनेज टू रिटेन इन स्पायट ऑफ ऑल दीस इनफायटींग सगळे हय इफ दे मॅनेज टू रिटेन देन दॅट बिकम्स विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन बीजेपी एमजीपी. कारण 6 तांकां जर मेळटा 6तले 5 किंवा 4 जरी मेळटा देन दे आर एबल टू क्रॉस दॅट 21 टच दॅट 21. अजुनूय हातून अशें एक दिसता की काँग्रेस म्हाका दिसता की यतीश विल बी नॉट व्हेरी सॅटिस्फायड किंवा हॅपी पण तरी 12 to 13 थोडी चड दिसता फिगर ही हातून. म्हजे जी पर्सनल हे आसा तातूंतल्यान इन माय ओपिनियन ते काँग्रेसीचे 12-13 आसा ते खंय तरी एक आप किंवा गोवा फॉरवर्ड किंवा एमजीपी खंय तरी तांची सीट्स वाडूंक शकता.
But in a way, there is a clear-cut signal in this that the secular forces come together. Then they can definitely.
If secular forces don't come together and you fight an election, you still can be more than BJP. If you
stand a chance to form government.
if you come together before the election, you can do anything.
Create a grand alliance second. Later, first choose a leader, project a leader. Somebody, I don't mind saying this, somebody like Digambar Kamath. Kara project. कारण otherwise na leadership खंय आसा आता काँग्रेसीची.
My survey has more samples than what you have collected, and that shows that the mood of the state is about a change, and up is that change. That is
You're
one.
very clear about it.
Very clear about it.
Nilesh,
What has a government to do? It has been doing social schemes for people. It has been with the people. It has been trying to understand what people want. And करीत आसा. If still then people feel, then it is for them to decide what it is.
No. What I say, we can pinpoint the no of the people. जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमचे जे 2 आसा पळय ते +10 जावकूच जाय.
+10.
हय जावकूच जाय. मूड जर लोकांचो जर पळयला जाल्यार तो मूड तसो आसा.
ओके.
म्हाका दिसता की हो सर्वे मातसो अजून पर्यंत तरी सारको जावपा जाय. बिकॉज तुवें जरी जी बीजेपी जी 15-16 दिला पळय न्ही तुज्या इंडिव्हिज्युअल रिपोर्टा भितर जो आसा पळय न्ही तातूंत भितर तुवें बीजेपीच्या 21तले जवळ जवळ 7 जाण पडटा म्हळ्यार डेंजर झोनांत दाखयला. 7 वयरच. बट विथ एमजीपी स्प्लिट अँड गोवा सुरक्षा मंच इन द फ्रे हांव सांगता बीजेपी ह्या खेपेक 10च्या वयर वचना.
ओके.
हो नारायण बाब म्हणटा तें सारकें आसा की एमजीपी आनी जर गोवा सुरक्षा मंच जर एकठांय आयले जर जायत तांचो फिगर वयर वचपाक शकता. आमी काँग्रेसी बरोबर जर गेले जर जायत जाल्यार आमचोय फिगर वयर वचपाक शकता काँग्रेसीचोय बी वयर वचपाक शकता. विदाउट काँग्रेस ऑल्सो I am telling you we are managing not less than 5 seats in this election.
And number 2, these seats, Kankon, Kortani, Ponda, and they are Congress seats. You see the reality. You see what is happening in Ponda as per your own survey.
So you are
see,
agreeing with the
please understand, they
seats.
are not even going to get 10 seats. He has been gracious enough. I put them to 5.
Okay. Done.
So I think the most significant thing here is that MGP has to sit down and rethink their position.
ओके. हांवें सुरवातीक सांगिल्लें आमकां जाय तितली क्रिटिसायज करात. वी आर कंप्लिटली ओपन फॉर क्रिटिसिजम्स. यू कॅन चॅलेंज ऑल अवर नंबर्स अँड फायंडिंग्स अँड वी आर क्वायट ओके विथ दॅट. दे हॅव डन दॅट. तुमचे मुखार सर्वे आसा, तुमचे मुखार पॉलिटिकल पार्टीची पोझिशन्स आसात, तांची मतां आसात आनी तांचे स्वताचे सर्वेचे रिजल्ट ताणें तुमचे मुखार दवरल्यात.
सांताक्रूज आपाक जाल्यार ताळगांवांत जेनिफराक आपाचो धोको आसा. वेळी काँग्रेसीच्या फिलीप नारीक परत एकदा चान्स आसा. साताद्रे विष्णूच्या गैरहजेरीतय बीजेपीचे स्पारणे जड. शिवोले मांद्रेकार, केप्यां बाबू कवळेकार, सांखळे प्रमोद सावंत सेफ. शिरोड्या मात मंत्री महादेव नायक डेंजर झोनात. सांग्यार सुभाषाक आडवी येता सावित्री कवळेकार. प्रुडंटाचो प्रीपोल सर्वे.
केपें बाबू कवळेकर. His approval rating is quite good. Like no competition to बाबू.
बीजेपीन थंय नेट घालूंक नाशिल्लो पूण आतां आमचो महामेळावो जावपाचो आसा. आमचे ऑलरेडी पोरच्यान 3 दीस जाले आफ्टर वी सॉ दॅट दे वर नॉट अलायनिंग विथ अस. आमी ऑलरेडी चालू केला ते बारीक बैठकय आनी आमचे कार्यकर्ते एक जाले.
तो काँग्रेसीचो उमेदवार आसतलो पूण म्हाका दिसता तो ज्या पार्टीचो उमेदवार आसतलो न्ही थंय बाबू जिखूंक शकता इतलो स्ट्रॉंग त्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन तो आसा आता.
तो उलयला and that is the truth.
That is the truth.
हांवें म्हणना तो खंय वतलो बी म्हणून.
But that is the truth.
Okay. Dilip Parulekar is below 50. His approval rating has come below 50. BJP is favored more than Dilip. That is the kind of a scenario. A sitting minister like Dilip Parulekar being below 50 is quite a matter of concern for the party.
We have our vote share of 11%. That 11% will multiply manifold.
48% what is there, see, there are a lot of factors maybe you have put into it. But I don't think it should be much more than that. I don't think it is 48%. Maybe I don't know how it is, but it should be much more and it should go through easily.
Jayesh has been the North Goa ZP chairman, got elected in that ZP constituency twice. And I feel that he is a very good face to take on Parulekar. We are sure that we are going to defeat Parulekar in this constituency.
Things are getting unfolded there. We have a very good candidate there.
You are saying that you have declared the candidate and things are yet to crystallize in that constituency.
In that constituency.
But lots will depend on fragmentation of non-BJP
Non-BJP votes. Okay. Sange Subhash Faldesa is again below 50%, 48%, and even in this constituency, which is BJP, which is favored more than Subhash. Pramod Sawant's approval rating is very, very high. Ground zero is Pramod plus BJP win the race.
But म्हाका दिसता that both these places we have the winning seats. आमचे GSM and BBSM आणि कोण will not make a difference to.
If you look at Sangam, BJP is 51%, Congress 31%, and AAP 5% in terms of party voting on party lines. While on individual lines, Subhash Faldesa is just 4%, and Savitri Kavlekar is 9%. So it's majorly party lines voting that is happening there. Almost 88% votes on party.
And I feel that with MGP's backing or a candidate of MGP has always won there the Shubheksha Gawas ZP twice or thrice. That Sarpanch belongs to MGP, Mahesh Gawas. I feel MGP and Goa Suraksha Manch, they can win that seat.
In Sange, I can tell you that Congress has an opportunity of ensuring BJP loses its deposit. And as far as Sankeli is concerned, again, 100% it will return a Congress candidate this time.
In Sankeli constituency, also it was a Pale constituency. It's a force there. We will start from 5,000 votes more. Now, if we come together that Goa Suraksha, then we can definitely win the race. Same the case with Sange. We have some force.
And approval rating of Babush Mansarat right now is probably the lowest among all because he has abandoned it also, and that is 10%. And this is one constituency where AAP is filling the vacuum very fast in Santa Cruz.
We have done enough work there. Our presence is much felt there. Even before the candidate was declared, we have a person who was in the party for a long time.
For a long time.
ओपन फील्ड कशें तें कारण 10 सिटींग MLA जर 10% ताका हे आसा लोकांक दिसता फक्त की ताका निवडून दिवचे परत म्हणून इट इज एनीबडीज आता फुडल्या 2 महिन्या भितर जो बरें काम करतलो ताका मेळटले.
We have not talked about who is his candidate in this constituency as of now. Who is UG candidate?
Ganesh Gaukar's approval rating is 59%, but considering the present situation, that whether BJP goes with Ganesh Gaukar or Vinay Tendulkar, we have put this constituency in uncertain category. The approval rating is there, but the revolt can upset BJP big time in this constituency.
No question of candidate. Who is telling Vinay is a candidate?
Okay.
BJP is here. That is very important. BJP is here. Ganesh is a sitting MLA.
in this constituency completely is the absence of the Salgongars. They were big players in 2007. They won. He was a big player in 2012. He got 8,200 votes.
Correct. The approval rating of Dayanand Manrekar is 59%, and Mandrevkar plus BJP win the race here.
And Congress is wanting and is sincere in putting a people's candidate there. In Sioli, Congress is not too far.
I am telling you, in Sioli, we have a very good candidate.
Mahadev Naik is in trouble. There is a huge anti-incumbency for Mahadev Naik. His approval rating is below 50% and coming down to 40%, 41%. आणि शिरोडाच्या उपरांत आम्ही सांतांद्रे पळोवया. सांतांद्रे विष्णू वाघ's approval rating is still 58% and there are pro BJP sentiments in this constituency that are still very visible.
I'm not saying brilliant, but Madhav Naik has done a lot of work. He has brought an industry. There was no employment there.
But Congress as a party in Shiroda, obviously with its leaders in Shiroda, who may have represented and all that, is surging. And the incumbent MLA is sure to lose in Shiroda. There is a public sentiment there.
हय महादेव नायकाची म्हाका एज एक्सपेक्टेड दिसता कारण त्याच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जर भवत न्ही जाल्यार दिसता त्याच्या अगेन्स्ट एक वेव आसा. सांताक्रूजचो सांतांद्रेचो मातसो सरप्रायझींग दिसता की थंयचो MLA हेल्थाच्या कारणान फाटले काही म्हयने एक्टीव ना. बट मे बी ती सिंपथी एक आसूं येता आनी पार्टीचो बेस स्ट्रॉंग आसूं येता.
पण आता आमी सिरियसली शिरोडाक पळयता आनी आमकां गॅरंटी आसा जर आमी एकटे सुद्दां
सरप्राईज कॅन्डिडेट
आसूं शकता एकटो सुद्दां जालो जाल्यार आमी येवं शकता, गॅरंटीन येवं शकता.
तालिगांव Jennifer Monserrat is in big trouble and AAP is emerging as an option in place of Congress.
तुम्ही दत्तप्रसादाचोय उल्लेख करचो पडटलो कारण दत्तप्रसाद हॅज बीन एक्टीव फॉर लास्ट 4 years कंप्लीट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी. म्हाका दिसता इलेक्शन लागीं येवच्या पयलींच त्याचे 3-4 राउंड जाल्ले आसा आनी ही इज इन टच विथ हीज त्याच्या मागीर टीम बिल्ड केल्या. सो ऑल दॅट आय थिंक वील पे.
So the fight is between
इट इज बिटवीन दत्तप्रसाद अँड BJP and आम आदमी पार्टी.
In Taligaon, the acceptability of Congress is very high.
This is one seat of, we always know that we are,
You are always sure that this is coming to you.
at least from your last survey we have seen.
बाबुशाक तू असो काढून उडोवपाक शकना.
TV Kiran Kandolkar is 76%. It is a Kandolkar's people connect wins here. Vishwajit Rane who is 70%. Again Vishwajit Rane is still unbeatable.
Both the seats, Thivi, which had returned an NCP candidate earlier, that gentleman is now with Congress. And otherwise also in Thivi, all the leaders in Thivi of the Congress, they have built a very credible and formidable force in Thivi. So Thivi will emerge as a Congress seat for sure. As far as Valpo is concerned, it has been a stronghold of the Congress with, let me complete, with Mr. Vishwajit Rane, and it will remain so.
This is tying with Satyari Yuva Morcha. I would
This is the
agree.
reality.
But I cannot agree with it is Congress seat. Congress there is no more. It is Vishwajit Rane and his family which is making the big stream.
Nilkant Halankar is very consistent there. Very consistent, very close. If you look at a split in MGP, BJP, maybe not much because they've got about 600-700 votes there. If it is close, it will make a huge difference. Yeah.
So see, that is what it is. It is Vishwajit and Vishwajit. It is not Congress and Congress. It is Vishwajit and his style of functioning.
Vasco Carlos Almeida's approval rating is 55%, but the ground zero is BJP in trouble if there is infighting in Vasco. Benjamin is 43%. Comeback chance for Philip Neri is the clear cut indication there.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.